In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a repository in Bitbucket. By the end, you'll know how to sign in, view your existing repositories, and create a new one with the right settings so your team can get to work confidently. First, open your browser and head to the Bitbucket login page. You'll see several ways to sign in. Choose the option to continue with Google, which is a quick and secure way to authenticate. Select your Google account when prompted. If your organization uses single sign-on, just follow the on-screen prompts from your provider. The goal is simply to get you into your Bitbucket workspace. Once you're in, navigate to the repositories section. This is the hub where all your repositories live. To open an existing repository, just click its name to jump into the overview, code, branches, and pull requests. If you're new to the workspace or don't see what you need, you can create a repository right from here. Click Create Repository to start fresh. You'll be asked for a project name. Think of a project as a folder that groups related repositories, like everything for a specific product or team. Choose a clear, recognizable project so it's easy to find later. Next, enter your repository name. Keep it short and descriptive. Many teams prefer lowercase with hyphens, like mobile app or data pipeline, to make cloning and scripting simpler. Now set the access level. Private is the safest default for most teams, keeping your code visible only to people you add. Public can be useful for open source work or documentation, but only use it when you're sure no confidential information is included. Remember, you can always manage permissions and add collaborators after the repository is created. Choose your default branch name. Most teams use main today, though some still prefer master or a different convention. The default branch is where new pull requests typically target, so pick the name your team already uses to avoid confusion. Open advanced settings to tailor a few more details. This is a great place to add a clear description explaining the purpose of the repository, who owns it, and any high-level notes new contributors should know. Strong descriptions help people onboard faster and reduce questions later. When everything looks good, click Create Repository. You'll land on the new repository's overview page where you can review settings, add files, create branches, and manage access. That's it, you've opened your repository in Bitbucket and set it up for success.